everybody. Welcome to our first ever CSU Biz Student Services Live. My name is Natasha and I'm an MBA student, but I'm also a graduate assistant in the College of Business Advising office. So as you all know, CSU recently made a switch to remote learning. So your classes are online and things like that. Well, that also, this switch to remote instruction also includes your advising. So we know this transition might be challenging or overwhelming and you have some questions. So right now we have some advisors on standby to answer questions as they roll in. So when they come in, I'll start reading them off the screen and try to answer what I can. But we're also going to walk you through how to schedule a remote advising appointment. Your advisors wanted me to make sure that you know that they are here for you and they're going to help you through this semester with whatever comes to us. So with the switch to remote, we students are actually able to schedule our advising appointments ourselves. And we can have these appointments with our advisor on the telephone or on a video chat like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. So right now, I'm gonna show you how you can schedule these appointments. All right, so we're gonna switch over here. So step one, you're gonna go to the College of Business Student Services website. So by doing that, you're gonna go to business.csuohio.edu and you're going to come over to the left hand side and click on the academic advising tab right here. That's going to bring you over to a little blurb that's kind of explaining what's going on now that we have switched to remote learning. So what you'll see is that moving forward, the Student Services Office will allow you to have remote appointments with your advisors, and you can schedule those Mondays through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So even though we're not sitting down in the business office, our advisors are still here to help you. You can either do that over the phone, email, or Zoom, and potentially Microsoft Teams as well. So to schedule your appointment, you're going to start by clicking Schedule Your Appointment here. That's going to redirect you to our outside appointment scheduling software. If you've not scheduled an appointment by yourself before using our software, you're going to have to make an account. So click Create an Account on the left-hand side. And you're going to be prompted to fill out a number of things. So this information, your CSU ID number, your name, whether you're an undergraduate or graduate student, the best phone number to reach you at, your email, information about the purpose of the appointment. This is all important information so that your advisor knows what they need to help you with and they can be prepared when you come in for your remote appointment. So you'll fill out this information and you only have to do this once. Once you create an account with your ID number, your phone number, your email, when you make this login and password, you'll be able to use that every time you schedule an advising appointment and you won't have to re-input this information. So once you've created all of this, you're going to click Create Account and you are set to go. You'll receive confirmation from the College of Business Advising office once your account has been created. So once you make an account, you're going to log in with the username and password that you created. We're going to do that right over here. And you can schedule your appointment. So once you're logged in, you're going to be prompted to select the program that applies to you. That could be undergrad, graduate, non-business student, or prospective grad student. So even if you're an undergraduate student looking at potentially doing grad student or becoming a graduate student and you're interested in learning more about the program, then you could click prospective graduate student appointment. But right now, most of you are probably going to be undergrads worrying about advising things like your scheduling for next semester and stuff like that. So we would click Business Undergraduate Current Student, and that's going to take you to our scheduling screen. A calendar is going to pop up. All of the white spaces are what's available for appointments for the next coming days. You're going to select the day that works best for you. So for me, I think I want to speak with my advisor on Friday. So you can't schedule same day appointments or next day appointments. Our appointments are going to be 48 hours out. So today being March 31st, you could schedule for Thursday or Friday. So we're going to schedule our appointment for Friday. Once you select the day you want, you're going to be prompted to select your advisor. For the undergrads, you have Adam, Deb, Erica, or Phil. So my advisor is Adam, and I know I'm not the most early riser. So I'm gonna go with a 10 a.m. appointment. That's what Adam has available. It's not blocked out in gray. So I click on the time I want, and it's gonna ask me to finalize my appointment. This is where you're gonna specify the purpose of the appointment. So my appointment, I have questions about my fall semester schedule. So I'm gonna write in here and make sure that Adam knows when we are doing our appointment that I want to adjust my schedule for next semester, and specify that I would prefer to have my appointment via Zoom. Now I'm going to click finalize appointment. If you are someone who likes to get a text notification in addition to the email, this area right here that says select SMS appointment reminder preference, you can type in your phone number and the system will text you a reminder to your appointment. But if you don't do that, you're just gonna get the usual email. So you click finalize the appointment. It's a little slow right now. Finalize the appointment. And we're scheduled to meet with Adam at 9 or at 10 on Friday. So another thing that's important to know, if you're going to look at scheduling an appointment and you select the date, so let's say we're going to go back to Friday, and your the advisor that you want to see, your advisor, so in my case Adam, isn't available at that time, you can meet any other undergraduate advisor. You don't have to meet with yours. The advisors are equipped to help you with any of your questions and needs, and by filling out all that information that you do when you make your account, so your CSU ID number, your name, your phone number, they'll have access to everything, and they will be able to help you just even though they may not be your regularly assigned advisor. So you could select any of these people. If you have any questions about this remote switch, we know that it's a new thing we're all getting used to. Feel free to reach out to us here at the Student Services Center on our social media. You can comment on our Instagram or message us. You can follow us on Twitter and DM or message us there. It's the same handle at CSU COBSS, or message us and follow us on Twitter, which is CSU COB undergraduate. We're going to be throughout the semester putting updates on there with important things that come down from the university regarding all these changes, important things about advising, and we will also be hosting more advising workshops like this one. So for those things that you're wondering about, how do I schedule an appointment? What classes do I take next semester? How do I use my degree audit? We're going to be doing live workshops to kind of walk you through how you can do some of this stuff at home, but you can also always make an appointment with your advisor. So you can schedule that appointment online. You can also call our remote office, or you can email your advisors with any questions you have. So I'm going to pull up the advisors' emails and remote numbers for you guys so you can do this. All of your advisors are going to be here to help during this change. We know that things are hard and different, and they want to make this as easy for you as they can. We encourage you to reach out, whether it's via social media or to your advisor directly. We know that you can succeed this semester and every semester moving forward. So thank you guys for watching. See you next week on Monday at 1 p.m. for another one of these workshops.